Yeah, first of all, I think the advantage is that we have a holistic and sustainable system there in place. For sure, it's autonomous, and that I think is a very good advantage for the smart cities. And then we have a system developed where we can use it for different requirements. We can swap the use cases for our urbanetic system. That means on one hand we can use it as a cargo system, on the other hand we can use it as a people mover. The most important benefit is that on one hand it's a zero emission product. On the other hand it can support the traffic into a smart city in the future to reduce it, because we have this kind of a pay-per-use opportunity as a business case in place with our urbanetic system. I think these are some very important advantages which we can offer with our new product system. On one hand, I think customers which we already have, these are parcel deliverers on the last mile, they can use it. On the other hand, it's for companies who move people from A to B. There are different opportunities. This, from my perspective, are the two most important customers who can really has a good use with our new autonomous urbanetic.